The product accessories include power cord, a pair of insulated gloves, crucible tongs, high-temperature constant temperature oven. First, it is equipped with a transparent window. It allows you to clearly see the heating process. Internally, it has three-sided heating. It has faster and more uniform temperature. There is a temperature sensor to detect temperature. Pair with smart button, confirm button, numerical shift button, decrease button, increment button. Rear ventilation ports ensure safety and efficient heat dissipation. First, connect the power cord to the machine to turn it on. Wear protective gloves properly. Put on protective gloves, turn the switch to open the oven door, and use tongs to place the mold inside the oven. Close the oven door and turn the knob. Next, turn on the switch, set the temperature, and wait for the oven to heat up. We can see what's going on inside the oven through the viewing window. After finishing, put on protective gloves, turn off the power, and turn the knob to open the oven door. Use crucible tongs to remove the crucible and place it aside to cool.